I have been following this as a part of our DISHA committee meeting, which is the District Level Development and Monitoring Committee. This is, as you know, this is a central scheme launched on 15 August 2029, trying to provide functional tap water to rural households. So what we have discovered in Manipur, there has been a lot of cases and news reports earlier as well. So I was following them up both in Parliament as well as in my field visit. In the last Lok Sabha, I asked the Minister 2 questions to give me the details of how many households they have provided water connection in rural. According to this reply, they said that before the 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗓 mission was launched on 15 August 2019, there are 25,920, which is 5.74% of the rural household had tap water connection in Manipur. So rounded figure is around 26,000. But after the launch of 𝗕𝗓𝗓𝗓 mission, they have added 3,33,539 more households. And in that question I posed, they said between August 2019 to July 2025, they said that with the additional 3,33,000 roughly approximately, it's now around about 3,59,459, which is 79.59 rural households have been provided. That's the detail, and I have asked for district-wise breakup. And I also asked how much money they have spent for this. Because in order to provide this 3,33,539, they have utilized a total of 1,202 crores, roughly around that, of which the expenditure from the central site is 1,078.82 crores. 1,078.82 crores from the central site, and from the state side 124.03. So if you add it up, it's around 1,202 crores have been spent to provide 3,33,539. What I have discovered is that when I go to field, and these are all beneficiaries' names are on the official website, and I went from one village panchayat to another, there is no connection whatsoever. Nothing of that. It's not that you have the pipe have been laid down and and the water has yet to start. That kind of a condition. There is no physical connections at all. So I have visited in the recent times also 7-8 panchayats and tried to meet the local people and check one by one, and through some of our party workers and so on, we are still doing it. We are making them work on starting legal actions to deal with us. I have also moved a case yesterday in Manipur High Court. My prayer is that there should be a court monitor investigation. It's a huge scam. So that is the detail, and I have met a press note. I think the party will deliver this to you. This PIL, hopefully within this week, I am expecting it to be listed. But I wanted to inform the entire country that such a huge scandal has taken place amidst the tragedy that we have been going through for the last 2 years. It's strange that when I go to the fields, and suddenly since I started investigating these things, they started laying pipe like this in a strange way. But on the website of the ministry, they said the waters have already been connected, and There are places where, because during the DISA meeting, I have questioned them, so they started laying these pipes. Though on the website they said it's already provided. Now they are doing it now. And from one village, wherever I intend to go, I learned at one village, there are over 900 when I went the first time. And the latest news is that they have put pipes for 15 houses. And strangely, they rolled these black pipes and left at the courtyard of the people to do it themselves. It's a strange, it's a mockery of the, entire process. So we are expecting to have some legal accountability on this. So that's the briefing that I wanted to have with the national media, because it should not be pushed to the background. So that is it. If you have any questions specific, I'll try to take it up.
Sir, I am Rahul Gautam. I am from India today. If you can just shed some light that what is the modus operandi of ciphering the money? Are there fake bills? Are there fake beneficiaries in whose accounts money have been?
We are not very sure how this is, and the strangest part is that there is no pipeline at all. It's not even the last mile connections. The major pipes also I've seen in one of the places where I have questioned the official, they started laying down. I thought that it will be only the last mile connection. When I went for inspections, I found that the entire big pipes on the highways, on the major stateways and the lanes, those are still not done. They started doing it now. So we suspect that, and very strange, there's something called Village Water and Sanitation Committee, of which Pradhan is the chairperson. It seems that some of them even are not aware what's going on. So I suspect that it is done at the top level. Any other questions on this?
The scam in the crores?
This is the total amount is from utilization report by the minister on the floor of the House. What he answered is 1,078.82 crores from the union government side, reported utilization. From the state government, it is 124.03 crores. So if you add the two, it's 1,202 crores. It's a huge money. And not a single, those villages were shocked when I said that you have the name here from the official website, you're one of the beneficiaries, and they were shocked. It's not that one house or two houses are left out, it's not. The entire village, panchayat, the covered by it. So it's not one village, it's village after village. And the minister has answered me on the floor of the House that this has been connected. Functional tap water has been provided to this household number. This is unprecedented in that sense. It's not that you are left out one or two household or one or two village. It's not like that. So it's a massive scam. So I have moved the High Court to have investigation on this, to order an investigation and court monitor, because I don't trust these government departments. They must be monitored by the court. So this is a case we have filed in the Manipur High Court.